Hi there, Tanmay here. Today I'm gonna talk about struggle. So actually the struggle is a good thing. So why do I think that the struggle is good? Because when you build something from the scratch, when you try to build something from the scratch, there you feel it's very hard. It's why this is so hard to build something from the scratch, so much struggle. But when you build from slowly from the scratch, when you build when you spend time and when you struggle with the things, you actually find out the way to do the things, and you actually understand what is the first step, what is the second, and how to build that things slowly, and you gain that experience of building particular thing. So you have that experience. I agree that there are so many people who are lucky. Out of 3 to 4 people out of thousands are so lucky that if they want to market their business, they have so much money. If they want to brand their business, they have so much money. If they wanted to start a new business tomorrow, they have a lot of money and they can start. But not like people like us. There are remaining 997 people from thousands. They do not have that much of money. They need to start from zero. There's a real struggle. But what is the advantage, what is the best advantage of being starting from the scratch is that you understand every single aspect of creating anything from the scratch. Like when I started building my agency, I had no experience that how to start. If someone have given me, if someone could have given me their own company, their own agency, which was already built agency, then I could not have gathered that much of experience that how to run a digital agency from the scratch. And what happened, how I built my agency, I built from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and now I'm growing. So I know how to put things and how to collect things, how to start agency. If what will happen when I go from 0 to 10, and let's say something happens in future and I come back to 0, then I know actually what is the first step, what should be the next step, because I have that experience of creating an agency from the scratch. But the people who immediately started from, the people who jumped from 0 to 10, those people, when those people will fall, they will not understand what to do next, what is the first step and what is the next step, because they jumped the process. And that's why experience is very important, and starting from the scratch will give you that experience. Plus another good advantage is that whatever knowledge you have gained from that whatever experience you have gained, whatever knowledge you have gained from 0 to 10 by going through the struggle, that experience, that knowledge is going to help those 997 people who actually needs your help to how to build your business, or whatever expertise you have, whatever experience you have, to go from 0 to 10. Those people will not go to the people who have jumped from 0 to 10. Those people don't need because the people who have jumped from those people who have skipped this step of experience, the knowledge, those people cannot help those people who do not have experience. Okay, because they themselves do not have that experience. So try to understand whatever experience you have created, whatever experience you have gained from those struggle, this is your power. This is actually your superpower that you have to use to empower other people and help other people to grow in their particular area, or whatever your expertise, your knowledge is. These people needs your help, and you have that superpower to help those people. So just go and start building and start creating, start getting more and more experience. That's it.